There's literally no one at this boat ramp.
I wonder why. Jonathan.
What?
Why is there nobody at this boat ramp?
Because it's winter.
And what's coming in here in a few hours?
Snow.
Alright guys, we were out here today. We're gonna go fishing, of course. I'm with my buddy Jonathan. That's the guy I smacked in the face with my rod. And we are doing some winter fishing, and there's a snowstorm coming in. It's not really a snowstorm, it's just like an inch of snow, something like that. But
a Tennessee blizzard.
Tennessee blizzard. In the South, we freak out whenever we hear the word snow. You'll get bread, eggs, milk, everything.
Rice.
Yes, get everything cause it's Snowpocalypse 2017 is coming.
It's getting real out here.
We're gonna throw a little bit of everything. I don't know, we might throw some 6XDs like we did last time. And he's wanting to throw this glide bait. Hopefully he'll catch something on that.
Hey.
Jerk baits, A-rigs, rattle traps, you know, typical wintertime stuff. But stay tuned and hopefully we'll catch some fish. I swear, why does this always happen to me? Look at this! Hate comments. How good is he? We get down there and thumb it. Nah, it's a baby. Learn how to catch a decent fish, Jonathan. Hey? What do you think, about 14 inches? It's hard to cast with gloves on, okay? Nah. Well, you're not fighting real good. Okay. Gotta play with him a little bit. Caper. He tapped it. Didn't feel him. Tapped it again. Felt him. Set the hook. Simple as that. On the old shaky head. Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Got one? Oh, look at there. That's a good one.
It ain't a big one, but it'll do. Good enough for him.
I just broke off. You really got one on it? Yeah. You serious? Is it good?
I don't know.
That's still a good one. Let me get them for you. It's a Coosa.
That's a Coosa spot. That's different than a Kentucky. That's a mix between a smallmouth and a spot, a Kentucky, and then you get this. I mean, everything about it is the same, just the color's different, and they get a lot bigger.
An update for you guys is we've caught them a little bit on everything. Caught a couple on a shaky head, A-rig, his glide bait.
The L&M Fast Snacks baits. glide bait.
There you go.
Yeah, well, that's
That's the product of the day for him. I've caught mine on a shaky head. He's caught one on a shaky head, A-rig, and glide. He's whooping my right now. I didn't mean to say so I'm gonna have to bleep that out. But yeah, we got 3 keepers so far. How much weight do you think we'd have?
not a lot.
Not a lot. About 6 pounds, 6.5 pounds if we're lucky. It's starting to rain. It's not snowing yet, but you know, we'll see how it goes from here on out.
So we fished Watts Bar today. Caught 3 keepers, glide bait, Alabama rig, shaky head, threw a jig some, got some bites. What else? That's about it. Well, we're out trap, but didn't catch much. Water was 47 to 48 everywhere. North end of the lake, Caney Creek, this area. It's mud hole. Mud hole. Went down to White's Creek, got in some clear water, started catching fish consistently, I'd say. I mean, we caught what, 6 in there? But overall, it was a pretty good day.
Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank him for taking me out. And I always enjoy fishing with him. He's a goofball. And, you know, it makes for good content. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time.
Catch 'em big.